Hi friends! Today we're gonna make pretend vegetable soup. Let's head over to our garden. Come on! First, we have to grow our vegetables. I have seeds here. I see yellow, green, purple, red, white, blue. Let's plant them all around the garden. Planting the seeds. Next, let's water the soil. Watering the soil. Don't be shy. Plants love water. Oh wow! We have lots of garden vegetables now. Can you help me name them? I see something orange. It's a carrot. That's right, it's a carrot. Oh, I know this one. It's a green pea. Toss it in our basket. How about this one? It's a pumpkin. And here, we have a purple onion. A purple onion. Yummy. This colorful fruit is corn. Corn. And what's this? It's a purple eggplant. Toss the eggplant. And what's this? It's a watermelon. It doesn't belong in the soup. Toss it out. Out. What's this orange vegetable? Pepper! You got it! Yay! It's pepper. And here we have a tomato. A red tomato. I'm just going to cut and peel the vegetables now. Tomatoes have small seeds inside. They're really good for your tummy. I'll use this half. We'll cut the orange pepper. Oh look, peppers also have seeds inside. Let's chop this pretty pumpkin. It will add a sweet flavor to our soup. What's next? It's yellow corn. I'll just peel off the leaves and save the kernels for the soup. What else do we have in our vegetable basket? Of course, we need an onion in our soup. And what's this? It's pea. Let's peel it. We have 1, 2, 3 seeds inside. Peas are actually legumes because they produce pods with seeds inside. This is a carrot. They're so good for your eyes. They help you see better. What else we got? A purple eggplant. Eggplants come in different colors and have a spongy texture, but you shouldn't use them on your counters. Yummy vegetables. We'll need something to wash our vegetables in. This looks pretty good. We'll also need a big pot. Which pot do you think is the biggest? It's this one. Now we'll need to wash everything. Let's transfer them. Turn on the faucet. Wash, 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 wash. Oops. Let's turn the water off. And transfer the vegetables into the big pot. water. Mix everything together. The flavors are gonna blend real nice while the soup is cooking. Let's close the lid and turn on the heat. Our soup is ready. Turn the heat off. We'll use the ladle to pour the soup into the plate. Nice and slow. We don't want to spill any of this delicious goodness. Voila! Bon appetit!